This is 7 National News, and in your top story, the UAE's Red Crescent Authority and Khalifa bin Zayed Humanitarian Foundation will organize an iftar program in Ethiopia during Ramadan. The project, launched under the directives of President His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, will be overseen by the UAE Embassy in Ethiopia. A meeting was held in the UAE Embassy in Ethiopia to discuss ways to carry out the project, such as organizing iftars in provinces of Muslim families. The iftars will mostly take place in mosques built in Ethiopia by His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Meanwhile, the UAE's Red Crescent Authority delivered 45 tons of palm dates to Jordanian Red Crescent and other charity for distribution to needy families at Palestinian refugee camps during the forthcoming month of Ramadan. The donation is an implementation of directives issued by His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan to provide sisterly and friendly countries with palm dates for Ramadan, and is part of its efforts to promote relations between the UAE and Jordan, according to officials of the UAE's embassy in Amman. The 12th Asia-Pacific Conference on Giftedness kicked off for the first time in the Middle East today. Nurturing talent and capitalizing on human potential at the early stages through education is on the agenda for the program. Inaugurated in Dubai this morning by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Deputy Ruler of Dubai and the UAE Minister of Finance, the event will run until the 18th of July. Organizers stated that an event such as this will cement the region's commitment and contribution in consolidating the development of world-class standards and best practices for gifted and talented students in the community. Hosted by the Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum Award for the Distinguished Academic Performance, the 5-day event will provide long-term strategies for education of gifted children. The UAE Ministry of Health's Central Administration for Maternity and Childhood announced this week guidelines to be implemented by primary health centers, maternity and childhood facilities and hospitals across the country. The 2-day workshop about the protocol addressed topics relating to the nutrition of mothers, infants and young children, such as the benefits of natural breastfeeding, children's food allergies and protecting children from diseases. In line with the World Health Organization and UNICEF, the protocol is an important reference source that helps mothers adopt the correct nurturing behaviors, in addition to enhancing the skills and capabilities of the healthcare staff, specifically nutritionists, doctors and nurses who are specialized in the field of mother and child care. Fatalities caused by run-over accidents in Abu Dhabi are down by 19.5%, according to data revealed by the Abu Dhabi Police Traffic and Patrols Department. Police statistics show a fall from 41 in July 2011 to 33 for the first half of this year. Lieutenant Colonel Jamal Al-Ameri, head of Public Relations Division, urged for drivers and motorists to be attentive and also reduce speed when nearing pedestrian crosses near malls and industrial areas. He further added that these accidents can be avoided if pedestrians are given priority to cross the street. In addition, police officials have also called on bus drivers to not pick up or drop off commuters in the middle of the street. 10 pedestrian bridges are currently being built in cooperation with the municipality of Abu Dhabi in order to make roads more safer in the capital. Serious calls to the police should include reports of fire, crime, road accidents, drowning and critically ill patients. However, an increase of non-serious 999 calls is keeping Dubai emergency line quite busy. The number of serious calls received by Dubai Police's operations room rose 4.68% from over 430,000 in 2010 to over 450,000 in 2011, according to a local reporter. Brigadier Omar Al-Shamsi, director of the operations room, stated that non-serious calls have included reports of a lack of parking space, stray animals and damaged road radars. Half of these types of calls were usually received at the police operations room between 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. After a month of mall-wide discounted prices, special offers and festivities, the Dubai Shopping Festival is closing its doors today. However, children can still soak up the fun at Modesh World. Attracting over 100,000 visitors in the first 2 weeks of operations, Dubai Events and Promotions Establishments, the organizers of the event, assured the public that they will continue to spread cheer and festivity in the Emirate this summer with the edutainment indoor theme park that will remain open until August 25th. The festival, which began on June 14th, has been showcasing a variety of stage shows, including roaming jugglers, clowns, acrobats and carnival parades, which have proved to be quite popular among the community. DEPE expressed their gratitude to the public and private entities that have rallied to support the family destination activities.